Dear IJ, I'm writing this letter to you because despite our bad times and good times, I must break up with you. Because what the What's up YouTube? While in the middle of creating another animated project, we came across IGN's new top 25 countdown. This time is based on the 25 best animes of all time. Now, I normally don't involve myself in these countdowns from these publishers because opinions are opinions. But something is told me to check the list out this time, and then it caught my eye. They got Death Note at number 18. Well, keep in mind, I have not even get past this. I've not seen the rest of the list. I've not seen the top 5, top 10, because Death Note at number 18 just stopped me in my tracks. Because to me, this is one of the most influential animes that came out in the last 20 years in my eyes. And they even said it right here in the article, right here, the most influential anime in a long time. So 18 just seems a bit too far back for my liking. I mean, I even overlook DBZ at 24 because when you think about it and get past the nostalgia glasses, DBZ probably not all that great. It was just something that was introduced us to most of us to anime.
And this is what is known as a Super Saiyan that has ascended past a Super Saiyan. Or you could just call this a Super Saiyan 2.
What a useless transformation. You've changed your hair, so what?
But Death Note at 18, I honestly think it is personally my favorite anime of all time. And I have good friends who argue with me that if it stopped at L's death, it would easily be probably the best. But because of the rest of the arc, with Nero and everybody else, it didn't finish as high as it started. So, but at least top 5. Okay, let's get to the rest of the list. Top 5, alright. I see Hippo here, no problem. Monster, great. One Piece, Cowboy Bebop, and number 1, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. Alright, IGN, I see you. To be fair, I did note aside, the rest of the list is not that bad. And then number 5, while there obviously can be some debate about it, all great legendary animes here. Cowboy Bebop, arguably the greatest dub anime of all time. Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood will always get my ratings for this scene alone.
You told me I couldn't kill you, but I'd like to try and prove you wrong! So let's see, how many times is it gonna take?
But I still maintain that Death Note deserves to be in the top 5, and out of that 5, I will say I will drop out Hajime no Hippo. And don't get me wrong, I love myself some Dempsey Roll. But Death Note really deserves to at least be in the top 5 over that anime. Hippo can be at number 6. But that's what I think. Maybe you agree with IGN, or you agree with me, or you agree with your friends, or you have your own top 5 completely. Let me know in the comments below, and let's have a debate about this, because I really think that Death Note should be much higher than this, at least top 10. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below.